Hi guys, there's been a last-minute reschedule with the launch date of the Galaxy S22 series. There's also some goodies that we're gonna talk about and a bad news about the Exynos 2200's performance. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So we all know the Galaxy S22 series is scheduled to launch on the 9th of February, with the devices being available just over 2 weeks from the launch on the 25th. Well, Samsung decided to make some last-minute changes to that schedule. The Unpacked event is still gonna be on the 9th, with pre-orders starting right after the event. But Samsung decided to push back the release date for the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. So instead of being available on the 25th of February, just like the S22 Ultra, they're gonna be available from the 11th of March, which is just over 2 weeks from the availability of the S22 Ultra. And this information is from Jon Prosser, and he's the one who first leaked the Unpacked event's launch date. So this is pretty accurate information. By pushing back the availability of the S22 and S22 Plus, Samsung is indirectly forcing people to buy the S22 Ultra. It's quite an interesting marketing strategy, and it makes sense since the S22 Ultra is the star of the show and is the one that's gonna sell the most. Now, according to Max, Samsung is partnering with Snapchat for the S22 series, so we should expect iPhone-level optimization and camera performance and quality for Snapchat on the S22 series. He also mentioned TikTok and Instagram, so those should also get some improved optimization and camera performance on the S22 series. Another good news for the S22 series is that the low-light camera performance is gonna be really impressive, and this is coming from Ishan. He also said the 45 watts wired charging is gonna be a little faster than Samsung's previous 45 watts charging solutions, which shouldn't be a news, but since Samsung's previous 45 watt charging solution was pretty much 25 watts with 45 watts printed on the brick, then this is a much needed improvement. He also mentions the new X-axis motor that's gonna improve the vibration experience. Now, one bad news is the Exynos 2200 is gonna heat up when playing games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. To be fair, those games are quite graphics intensive, and pretty much any chipset heats up when you're playing those games for a long time. I think we'll have an issue depending on how fast it heats up and how hot it gets, and also if it negatively affects the performance by excessively throttling the chipset. But he also mentions that this was tested on early software, so there's still some optimizations to be done. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.